Wanna go to a place for some very nice treats. Shonda's Edible Delights has all the sweets.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you guys for joining me. I appreciate it. Tonight, we are going to make some cherry popcorn, and I'm going to pack it up for a customer. I already put some oil in here, some water. And like I said, I'm making some cherry popcorn, and I'm bagging it up for a client. Sugar and some corn treat, basic corn treat. Turn it on. And what this machine is going to do is make my candy popcorn. So I appreciate you guys coming in and joining me. Once it reaches temperature, you'll see the steam come out. We'll take the lid off, and we'll add the cherry flavoring for our popcorn and our coloring. And it's heating up. Once it starts to steam, I'll take this lid off and add some more ingredients to it. Starting to see the steam come out of the pot here, and it's getting a little too hot to touch on the side, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. You can see all that steam. I'm gonna place it over here. You gotta be careful when you open up that pot not to let the hot water drip on you. And that is the cherry signature blend that I use. It makes the color, you can see, as you can see inside. It has the color and it has the flavor of the cherry. Any moment, this buzzer should start to buzz. And then I'll add the popcorn. The popcorn that I have here is plain popcorn. It has no butter, it has white oil, and it has a little salt, because salt brings out the sweetness of your candy. So if you bake or anything like that, that's why you put salt in your case, because it helps brings out the sweetness. So the salt will help bring out the sweetness of the candy once it's all mixed together and coated. Okay, that's good information. So you had issues with your thermostat, and they told you how to fix that. Yeah, you know, and one thing about our lives, I encourage to network, communicate with other like-minded people. I also have a Gourmet Popcorn Academy on Facebook. If anybody would like to join that too, I appreciate you. Okay, the buzzer has gone off. I'm going to add the popcorn. I turn the heat off and turn the motor on. And now you'll see all the popcorn get coated. And I'll just let that turn until majority of the popcorn is coated red. And what I'm going to do now is just dump it into the tray. now I have to start moving this popcorn around or it's dry up in one big clump. You know, even though my machine says it's a 5-gallon cooker, which it is, but when I cook my popcorn, when I add the popcorn, I only add 4 gallons to it, because if you put at 5 gallons, it won't coat as well. See, right now it's still soft, but once it cools and gets to room temperature, it will be crunchy. So once it cools down a little more, I'll add the popcorn to the bags. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and fill these bags with these little candies. Okay, question. I have red popcorn. Should I mix red and black pearls? Or should I just put the black pearls in the bottom? What do you guys think? The black ones. I got somebody say both. Okay. Well, let me show you the bowl I have also, in case someone missed it. I'm gonna add these bowls to the top. They're black and white. And these are the labels that I'm putting on. Alex, that worked out good. So I guess I sit here and put the labels on first then. I always put labels on last. So what do you think? What I'm gonna do, I just lay this across down the back of it. When they put the popcorn on their display table, my information is laying on the back, laying on the table. So they don't see it until they pick it up and look at it. And if they like the popcorn, they'll call me, or they'll go to my website and order some popcorn. And I have so many different flavors of popcorn on my website. When I do my festivals and events, I carry about 20 to 25 flavors of popcorn, and then I interchange them out during the season. It has the black pearls on the bottom, the bowls, the labels, has my information on the back. I will take a picture of the finished product. And I appreciate you guys joining me tonight. on this live making cherry popcorn, and we packed it up for a customer. I appreciate you guys.
Popcorn, cakes, and lemonade. Everything is fresh and homemade. So go to my page or give me a call, 'cause it's Shonda's